VIPS is currently selling at the price of $10.83 at the time of this recording. VIPS is a stock of a Chinese company that operates the e-commerce website VIP.com that is formerly known as VIPshop.com. VIP Shop Holdings Limited operates as an online discount retailer for various brands in the People's Republic of China. It operates on VIP.com, Shanshan outlets, and other segments. The company offers women's apparel such as casual wear, jeans, dresses, outerwear, lingerie, pajamas, and maternity clothes, and also offers men's apparel comprising of casual and smart casual t-shirts, polo shirts, jackets, pants, and underwear. The products include skincare and cosmetic products, including cleaners, lotions, face and body creams, as well as face masks, sunscreen, foundation, lipsticks, eyeshadows, and other cosmetic-related items, and accessories that include belts, jewelry, watches, and glasses for women and men. They also provide handbags, which comprises of purses, satchels, luggage, duffel bags, and wallets, apparel, gears and accessories, furnishing and decor, toys and games for boys, girls, infants and toddlers, sportswear, sports gear and footwear for tennis, badminton, soccer, swimming, and other sporting activities, home furnishing such as bed and bath products, home decor, kitchen and tabletop items, and small household appliances, as well as consumer electronic products. Further, it provides designer apparel, footwear, and accessories, food and snacks, beverages, health supplements, home appliances, beauty products, fresh produce, and pet goods, as well as internet finance services, which comprise of consumer and supplier financing and microcredit. Basically, you can say that it's the Amazon of China, but with a bonus because it offers huge discounts as well. The company offers its branded products through its VIP.com and VIPshop.com online platforms, as well as through its internet website and cellular phone application. Additionally, it offers warehousing, logistics, product procurement, research and development, technology development, and consulting services. The company has proven to be pretty valuable during the whole COVID-19 pandemic, since many people opted to stay at home and shop online. Apart from online retail, the company also offers financial services to the consumer as well. The company currently has about 7,600 employees working for them. VIP Shop Holdings Limited was founded in 2008 and is headquartered in Zhangzhou, the People's Republic of China. Well, that's all for company information. Let's move to the statistics of the company in the stock market and evaluate it. VIPS is currently selling at the price of $10.83 at the time this video is recorded, and according to Simply Wall Street, the fair value of the stock is $51.67, which means it's actually selling at a price much less than the fair value, which gives the stock a good evaluation. If you buy the stock at $10.83, you can aim to sell it at $21.66, getting a 100% return on interest. Moving on, let's talk about the returns of the company, and according to statistics, VIPS underperformed the US online retail industry, which returned negative 5.8% over the past year, and on the market basis, it also underperformed the US market, which returned 32.8% over the past year. Let's focus on the volatility of the stock. VIPS is not significantly more volatile than the rest of US stocks over the past 3 months, typically moving at plus or minus 8% per week, meaning that the stock has had a stable share price for the last 3 months. Also, its weekly volatility, which is 8%, has been stable over the past year as well, which brings it in good value in that point of view. As we all know how important the stock's price to earnings ratio can be, let's focus on that. VIPS has a PE ratio of 10.1 times, which makes it a good value because it is better than the US market average of 17.7 times. Its PEG ratio is also in the good looks, with the value of 0.7 times. The price to book ratio is standing at 2.1 times, which is better than the US online retail industry average of 4.7 times, making it a very good value again. The company has grown to 30% over the past years, and it is also forecasted to grow 14.7% annually in the next 3 to 5 years. Its annual revenue growth is 10.1%, which is forecasted to grow faster than the US market average of 9.3% per year. Its overall stock has also a net profit margin of 8%. The company has a current market cap in billions with a value of US $7.682 billion. The outstanding shares of the company are considered to be about 676.21 million US dollars. Overall, we have no position in any of the companies mentioned. This video is strictly general in nature. It does not constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any stock, and we do not take account of your objectives or your financial situation. We aim to bring you long-term focused analysis driven by fundamental data. Well, that's it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.